Welcome back everyone, Mike McConville here, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. We have a pretty significant guitar here. This is a 1942 Selmer guitar. At the height of Nazi-occupied Paris, the Selmer factory was still just humming along. And remarkably, there isn't a single crack in the top of this 1942 Petit. Pretty amazing. Light fret dress at the neck junction, but otherwise it's in remarkable condition. Get a little bit more intimate contact on that bridge on the bass side. This is the Petit Bush model, the same model that Django Reinhardt made famous. So 20 serial numbers later than Django Reinhardt's. On the table over here we have an XLT. A long-time customer and good friend Michael has bought this for his son Julian. It's Julian's birthday tomorrow. He's been putting these kit guitars together. In Canada here we have a company called Solo Guitars, and you can buy pretty well any kit you can imagine. You know, Tele, Strat, 335, Les Pauls. Anyway, Julian has started putting these kit guitars together, and he's about to get a Tech Deck XLT tomorrow morning for his birthday. A lot of these XLTs are going out specifically for that reason to guys that are putting together kit guitars. Aligning the neck, doing your electronics. The void between the two rails of the body platform allows you to slip a clamp in there when you're kind of temporarily clamping your neck in place to check the alignment, that sort of thing. No doubt about it, the lion's share of the XLTs are going to these kit guitar guys. Happy birthday, Julian. I'm sure you'll make good use of this. And here we have an HD28 that's in for a compensated nut. We're going to lower the action on that one, and it still remains to be seen whether we're going to compensate that bridge saddle as well. This is also a long-time customer. We will be bringing you along step by step on this one as well.